Best cordless drills. Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Milwaukee 2904-20 Hammer Drill. Milwaukee manages to deliver impressive power and efficiency in a remarkably compact package with this half-an-inch hammer drill. Despite its small footprint, the tool produces a strong maximum torque of 1,400 inch-pounds and reaches speeds up to 2,100 revolutions per minute. While it isn't the absolute fastest model available, its real-world performance is exceptional. During testing, it powered through half-an-inch drill bit and 1-inch spade bit tasks with ease, showing smooth, consistent speed under load. It also performed admirably in concrete drilling, quickly creating clean quarter-inch holes without hesitation. One standout feature is its 3-speed settings, an upgrade over the 2-speed setups found on most competing drills. This allows more control when switching between heavy-duty drilling and more delicate screwdriving tasks, ensuring users can manage both power and precision as needed. What makes this drill especially noteworthy is how Milwaukee fits all this capability into such a compact and lightweight form. Measuring just under 7 inches in head length and weighing only 3.3 pounds, tool only, it's easy to maneuver in tight spaces and comfortable to use for long periods. The built-in auto-stop function adds an extra layer of safety by shutting off the motor if the bit binds, helping prevent sudden twisting or kickback. While it may not top the charts in raw speed or brute force, the Milwaukee hammer drill offers the best overall balance of size, weight, performance, and smart features, making it an outstanding all-around choice for both professionals and serious DIY users. Number 2. Skil PWRCORE Drill Driver Kit. The Skil PWRCORE drill delivers an impressive level of performance for its compact size and low price, making it one of the best values among 20-volt cordless drills. Despite being far more affordable than many premium models, it still produces a respectable 400 inch-pounds of torque and reaches a maximum speed of 1,800 revolutions per minute. In testing, the drill showed strong capability, taking only about 3 seconds to bore a clean half-an-inch hole through a standard 2x4. Its results with a 1-inch spade bit were somewhat inconsistent, occasionally causing the bit to bind in the wood, but for lighter to moderate drilling tasks, it performed reliably. As a driver, the tool excelled, easily sinking 3-inch screws without hesitation or loss of control. One of the drill's biggest strengths is its portability. Weighing just 2.23 pounds, tool only, and measuring only 6.1 inches in head length, the Skil PWRCORE is easy to maneuver in tight spaces and comfortable for extended use. Its slim, lightweight design makes it especially friendly for beginners, DIYers, or anyone who prefers a drill that won't cause fatigue during longer projects. While it doesn't come with a long list of advanced features, the essentials are there: 2 speed settings for added control and an LED work light that brightens dim work areas. What sets this drill apart most, however, is its impressive value. With premium kits often costing $300 or more, the Skil 20-volt drill kit at just $80 delivers strong performance at a budget-friendly price, making it an outstanding pick for cost-conscious users. Number 3. Flex 24V Brushless Cordless Hammer Drill. Flex has built a reputation for producing some of the most powerful cordless tools on the market, and this 24-volt drill continues the tradition with outstanding performance. Delivering 1,400 inch-pounds of torque and reaching speeds up to 2,500 revolutions per minute, it powered through every test with ease. During drilling trials, it effortlessly completed 5 holes with a half-inch twist bit and 5 1-inch holes using a spade bit, each set taking under 3 seconds without any slowdown. To push the drill even further, I moved on to concrete and used a 3/8 inch bit, an area where many cordless drills struggle. The Flex surprised me yet again, cutting cleanly into cement with no signs of hesitation or stalling. Because of its robust 24-volt motor and battery platform, this drill isn't the lightest option available. The tool itself weighs 3.9 pounds, and with the included 5.0Ah battery attached, it approaches nearly 6 pounds. Despite this, the head length remains manageable at 7.1 inches, giving it decent maneuverability for such a high-powered tool. Flex also includes an impressive set of features that elevate its usability. A dedicated turbo button unleashes maximum torque when needed, while the built-in rotation protection feature automatically stops the motor if the drill over-rotates, helping prevent sudden twisting and potential injury. Although this drill comes at a higher price than many competitors, its unmatched power, durable construction, and advanced safety features make it an exceptional choice. For users who prioritize raw performance above all else, this flex drill is hard to beat. Number 4. DeWalt 20V Max XR Hammer Drill. DeWalt's flagship XR cordless drill stands out for its exceptional power, precision, and control, making it one of the most capable models in the brand's lineup. In testing, it delivered some of the fastest drilling times recorded. It bored a clean half-an-inch hole through a 2x4 in roughly half a second using a standard bit, and powered through a 1-inch paddle bit hole in just 3 seconds, both the quickest results among all the drills evaluated. This level of speed is impressive on its own, but what makes the XR truly versatile is how well that power can be controlled. With 3 selectable speed settings, the drill allows you to dial back the RPM for more delicate tasks. Combined with adjustable torque, it makes driving screws smoother and helps prevent stripped heads or overdriving. Several thoughtful features enhance safety and convenience. The anti-rotation system automatically stops the motor if it senses sudden twisting or binding, protecting your wrist from unexpected kickback. The integrated LED work light is another standout. It can be aimed to illuminate dim or tight spaces, improving accuracy and visibility while you work. Although the XR isn't the lightest drill available at 4.1 pounds, tool only, its design remains practical. The relatively short 7.6-inch head length allows it to fit into confined areas more easily than many other high-powered cordless drills. Overall, this DeWalt XR model delivers an ideal balance of speed, strength, and smart safety features, making it a top-tier choice for demanding users who need both muscle and precision on the job. Number 5. Makita 18V LXT half-an-inch cordless hammer driver/drill. Makita's flagship hammer drill delivers exceptional strength and performance while maintaining a surprisingly compact form. Generating 1,250 inch-pounds of torque and reaching speeds up to 2,100 revolutions per minute, it has more than enough power for demanding tasks. During testing, it showed no hesitation when drilling through standard lumber. Both the 1-inch spade bit and the half-an-inch twist bit cut smoothly through a 2x4, demonstrating the drill's impressive consistency under load. Its hammer drill mode also proved highly effective, allowing me to bore 5/8-inch holes into concrete with steady, reliable force. Beyond drilling, the Makita XPH14 performs extremely well as a driver. After adjusting the speed and torque settings to avoid stripping screw heads, it drove 3-inch wood screws into stacked 2x4s with precision and ease. The broad range of power settings makes it versatile enough for both heavy-duty drilling and more controlled fastening tasks. Despite its strength, the drill manages to stay relatively compact. With a head length of just 7 inches, it fits comfortably into tighter spaces where larger tools would struggle. However, the added power does come with extra weight. At 5.5 pounds, tool only, the XPH14 is one of the heaviest models tested, which may be noticeable during long sessions or overhead work. Still, its combination of raw power, drilling versatility, and controlled driving performance makes the Makita hammer drill a top-tier option. For users who need a rugged, go-anywhere drill that can handle both wood and concrete with authority, this model delivers outstanding capability in a compact package.